Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off keyboard sound on iPhone. So if at the end of this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, what you need to do to turn off keyboard sounds on iPhone is go ahead and open your iPhone settings. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on Sounds and Haptics. Once you click on Sounds and Haptics, you want to scroll down the page and then locate keyboard feedback and click on that. Now, if this is enabled and you want to disable your keyboard sound, then go ahead and turn off sound. And that's it. So that's exactly how to turn off keyboard sounds on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.